Due to natural selection, humans have a tendency to give birth to a single baby at a time. And you can make out that the single baby can be more healthier. But sometimes what happens, humans can also give birth to two babies at a time, and the mother, when it gives birth to two babies at a time, this is known as twinning, and one of those babies is known as a twin. And twins can be of two types. They can be fraternal or dizygotic or two egg twins, or they can also be identical, or you can say monozygotic or one egg twins. Let us see what do we mean by these terms. Sometimes what happens, two eggs are released from ovaries. Okay, now we have two eggs that are released from the ovaries, and these eggs are fertilized by separate sperms. As you can see in the image, that both the eggs are fertilized by separate sperms. So now each embryo implants in the womb or the uterine wall separately. So they will have separate placentas and separate inner sacs. In this case, what is going to happen? We are going to have dizygotic fraternal from two eggs. These twins will be from two separate eggs. So two eggs are released sometimes in the ovaries, which are fertilized by separate sperms, and each embryo implants in womb separately. And what happens? Separate placenta are there and separate inner sacs are there. So since there are two eggs, we also call these twins as two egg twins, and they are dizygotic twins. Why dizygotic? Because two zygotes are formed as there are two eggs and two sperms. With the fusion of these, there will be two zygotes that will be formed. So that is why these twins are known as dizygotic twins also. And fraternal, this word fraternal means that they are non-identical. Why they are going to be non-identical? Because they are going to have separate genetic material. Since you can see that in this case, the genetic material is going to be different, and this sperm is going to fuse with this egg, and another egg is this, in which the fusion will be from a different sperm. So the genetic makeup will be different. Since the genetic makeup is going to be different, they are going to be what? They are going to be fraternal, means non-identical twins. So I have an image for you. They will look like this. Okay, so they are non-identical twins, or you can say fraternal twins, because they are dizygotic, as they were formed from two different zygotes which were formed as a result of release of two eggs at a time from the ovary of the mother. The next type of twins is the identical twins, or you can say monozygotic twins, or sometimes we also say it as one egg twins. What happens? When one egg released is from the ovary and it is fertilized by one sperm. So remember, we are talking here about one egg and one sperm. Okay, what is going to happen? There can be three chances. Early embryo splits before implanting in the womb. So if we have a blastomere stage, if it splits before implanting in the womb, or the early embryo implants in womb and then splits, okay, or the early embryo implants in womb and then splits later. So what is going to happen? If the early embryo splits before implanting in the womb, separate placentas and separate inner sacs will be formed. So what is going to happen? They are going to be not identical. But what can be the case, since they are from one egg and the sperm is the same? So what is there? We have a monozygotic twin. The genetic makeup is the same. So they will be identical, monozygotic twins, because they are from the same zygote, one single zygote, and the genetic makeup is going to be the same. The second case, the early embryo implants in womb and then splits. After implantation, there is splitting. So what is going to happen? In this case also, there will be separate placenta and separate inner sacs. As you can see, separate placenta and separate inner sacs. The third case, early embryo implants in womb and then splits later. So the early embryo is going to implant in womb and then splits later after some time. In this case, what happens? Since placenta development is already there, they will have a shared placenta and shared inner sac. So when we talk about one zygote, we talk about monozygotic twins. What is going to happen? They are going to arise from the same zygote, from the same monozygote. and the genetic makeup is same in both the cases. There can be 3 cases. In these 2 cases, they share the placenta is not the same, but in this case, in single case in which the early embryo implants in womb and then splits later. So in this case, they are sharing the same placenta and the same inner sac. But in both the 3 cases, there will be what? There will be identical twins. These twins are identical because it is monozygotic, means they have arisen from the same zygote. Since there is one egg and there is one sperm which is going to fuse and form the zygote, and this zygote is going to be splitted. Why? After this formation of this blastocyst. Okay. So after this splitting, there are going to be these identical or monozygotic or one egg twins. In these 2 cases, you can see that there is separate placenta, but in this case, there is a shared placenta. Why there is shared placenta? Because the early embryo is implanting in the womb and is splitting quite later. When there is such a long time gap, they can eventually share the same placenta and same inner sac also. So in this case, you are going to have twins that are identical, or you can say monozygotic. So this is how the identical or monozygotic twins will look like. So from health point of view, giving birth to a single baby is more appropriate. Why? Because the single baby is going to be more healthy as compared to the twins. And the upbringing of a single baby is also very easy as compared to the upbringing of twins. So remember that twins can be of 2 types, fraternal or dizygotic or 2 egg twins. This name clearly suggests how these twins are there, and the identical or monozygotic or one egg twins also suggests from the name itself that how these twins are there in the mother's womb. Remember, these type of twins are because of 2 zygotes, okay, and these type of twins are from the same zygote, from a single zygote. So this is how the twins have been classified as fraternal, which are non-identical twins, and identical twins which are from the same zygote, monozygotic twins.